Hello everyone, hope you are ready for today's class. In today's class, we are going to cover one more topic of integers, that is subtraction of integers. If a and b are integers, then the difference a minus b equals the sum of a and the opposite of b, written as a plus opposite of b or a plus minus b. So a minus b is equals to a plus minus of b in the bracket. Now using this property, this concept, let us try to solve some problems of exercise 5.5. First question, express each difference as a sum of integers, then find the difference. So the given statement is 12 minus 7. So in the first step, we are required to express this statement, this difference, as a sum of integers. As a sum of integers means 12 plus, and for that what to do? We have to write opposite of second number. Here a is equivalent to 12, or a is 12 and the value of b is 7. So similar to a minus b, we have 12 minus 7 and we have to change its form, or we have to write in this format. So we have to write 12 plus a plus minus of b, or minus of 7, or opposite of 7. So opposite of 7 is minus of 7. So 12 plus minus of 7, or opposite of 7. And the answer is 12 minus 7 is plus 5. Then 0 minus 8, again we have to change its form, or we are required to write in this format. So we'll write 0, then plus 8 plus 0 plus in bracket opposite of second number, opposite of b. Opposite of 8 is minus 8. So 0 minus 8 is minus 8, and minus 8 is my answer. Again 0 minus of 6. So first number a is 0, we'll write 0, then minus. So we have to change this sign. So we'll write plus. And opposite of minus 6. Opposite of minus 6 is plus 6, or you can write 0 plus 6 also. So final answer is 6 or plus 6. The next 27 minus of 30. 27, then plus y plus sum of a and the opposite of b. So 27 is a and b is minus 30. So opposite of minus 30 plus 30, or directly 27 plus 30 is 57. Then minus 67 minus 8. So first number a is minus 67, then we have to change this sign. So we'll write plus, and opposite of minus 8. Opposite of minus 8 is plus 8. So plus, plus and minus, or minus 67 plus 8. Minus 67 plus 8 is 59. So 59 with negative sign. Sorry, minus 59 is the answer. And last, minus 112, minus 112, minus 0. So what to do? Write first number minus 112 minus is to be replaced by plus, and opposite of 0 will be 0. So the answer is minus 112, or minus 112. The second question, question number 2. From the sum of 17 and minus 12, subtract 38. This is the statement. From the sum of 17 and minus 12. So we have to formulate this first. From the sum of 17 and minus 12. from the sum of 17 and minus 12. So A is 17, B is minus 12, and from the sum of 17 minus 12 we have to subtract 38 minus 38. So according to the statement, this is the final formulation: 17 plus minus 12 after bracket minus 38. So in this problem, what to do? So please solve this bracket first. 17 minus 12 will be plus 5 and then minus 38. Again, second number is negative or minus 38. So what to do? Using this property again, we can write it as plus 5 plus of minus 38. And the answer is 38 minus 5, 33, and sine of 38. Minus 33 is the answer. The next question number 3. From the sum of minus 45 and 15, subtract 19 from the sum of minus 45 and 15. So next answer number 3. From the sum of minus 45 and 15. So from the sum means 45 and 15. Minus 45 and 15, we have to add them. Then we have to subtract 19. So minus 45 plus 15 minus 19. In the next step, minus 45 plus 15 will be minus 30 minus 19, right? And again we have to use this property, or we can simply solve it, but yes, we have to use this property at least in this exercise. So minus 30 plus of minus 19, opposite of 19, and we have to replace this negative sign by positive sign. So the answer, final answer is minus 30 and minus 19 will be minus 49. So minus 49 is my answer. The next question number 4. To the difference of minus 30 and minus 5, add minus 20. To the difference of minus 30 and minus 5. To the difference of minus 30 and minus 5. So first number is minus 30, second number is minus 5, and to the difference of these two numbers, so we have to write minus 30 minus of minus 5. Add minus 20. So for addition, write plus sign, add minus 20. So this is final statement. Now we have to solve this. Minus 30, and using property, write plus and opposite of minus 5, plus 5. Then we have minus 20. Why minus 20? Plus into minus will be minus. So now we have minus 30 plus 5 minus 25 and minus 20. So the answer is minus 45, right? Or again, if you want to use property, what to write? Minus 25, minus is to be replaced by plus and minus 20. So answer will be minus 45 only. Then question number 5. To the difference of 6 and minus 16, add 120 minus 120. So what to write? To the difference of 6 and minus 16. Answer number 5, to the difference of 6 and minus 16. So 6 is my first number, 16 is my second number, and to the difference means 6 minus minus 16. To the difference of 6 and minus 16, add minus 1 to 0. So we have to add minus 120. So in the first step, we have to solve this. 6 minus minus becomes plus, or what to do? We have to replace this negative sign by writing positive or plus, and we have to write opposite of minus 16 also. So this will be the second step, and plus minus 20, so we'll write minus 120, then 16 plus 6 is 22 minus 120. Now in this problem we are going to use this property, so minus 120. So for minus 120, what to do? Please write plus before this number and opposite of 120, minus 120. So what is the answer? Final answer is 120 minus 22, 98, and sign of the biggest or greatest number. Next, question number 6. At 5 p.m. the temperature was 22 degrees Celsius or degree centigrade, 22 degrees Celsius above 0. At 2 a.m. the temperature was 1 degree below 0. Find the change in the temperature. So as per the problem statement, we have two temperatures. At 5 p.m. it was 22 degrees Celsius above 0. So say this is the temperature at 5 p.m. 22 degrees Celsius, and this is 0 or datum for temperature measurement. Now at 2 a.m. the temperature was 1 degree below 0. If this is my 0, then 1 degree Celsius or centigrade below 0 was the temperature at 2 a.m. So at 5 p.m. temperature was 22 degrees centigrade above 0. At 2 a.m. the temperature was 1 degree centigrade below 0. So for below 0, or for writing this temperature, we should use a negative sign, and for above 0 or above datum, it's better to use plus sign. So at 5 p.m. the temperature was plus 22 degrees C. At 2 a.m. the temperature was minus 1 degree C or degree centigrade. Find the change in temperature. So answer number 6. At 5 p.m. or we can write TEMP, temperature at 5 p.m. equals to plus 22 degrees C, and temperature at 2 a.m. equals to minus 1 degree centigrade. Now what is the change in temperature? Find the change in temperature. So change in temperature equals to temperature at 5 p.m. minus temperature at 2 p.m. So temperature at 5 p.m. minus temperature at 2 a.m. So the net change in temperature is plus 22 degrees centigrade minus of minus 1 degree centigrade. So plus 22, and we have to replace this negative sign by positive sign, and we have to write its opposite also, plus 1. Right. So the net change in temperature is 22 plus 1, 23 degrees Celsius or 23 degree centigrade. This is the total change in temperature from plus 22 to minus 1, or from minus 1 to plus 22. Net change is 23 degree centigrade. The next question. The point A is 27500, 27,500 meters below sea level, and the point B on a mountain is 2000 meters above sea level. Find the vertical distance between A and B. So again in this problem we have 2 points. First point is A. So where to write? Yes. Say this is my sea level, mean sea level, and this is C. Just assume that these lines are representing water. Now, first point A is 27500 meters below sea level. So 27500, this is the distance. So this distance is 27500 meters below sea level. First point A is 27500 meters below sea level. Then what about second point? Second point B on a mountain is 2000 meters above sea level. So second point, say this is at mountain and this point is point B. So this point is 2000 above sea level, 2000 meters above sea level. Now find the vertical distance between A and B. So what will be the vertical distance between A and B? This is the vertical distance. This is the vertical distance between A and B. Now, for finding this distance, vertical distance of A and B or from B to A, what to do? First of all, we'll write all given statements. The point A is 27500 meters below sea level. Now the statement which I am going to write is not best statement or perfect statement, but still it will work. So what to write? A point A is 27500 meters below sea level. So distance of A, first point A, from sea level is, so distance of A, first point A, from sea level is 27500 meters. So A is 27500 meters below sea level. Now we have to put a negative sign before 27500 meters. Why? Because this distance is below sea level, from sea level in negative direction or in vertically downwards direction. So we have to write minus 27500 for this. Now second point B. B is above sea level. So distance of B from sea level, is 2000 meters, but this distance is in the upward direction. So vertically upward or vertically opposite to first means positive. So what we are doing is we are trying to show vertically upward distance is positive, and for downwards direction or downwards distance, negative sign. So from sea level, above or vertically up means positive, below or vertically down means negative. Now the question is, find the vertical distance between A and B. So vertical distance between A and B. Vertical distance between B and A or vertical distance between A and B equals to Now from sea level, B is 2000 meters above and A is 27500 meters below. So what to do? This minus this will be the distance. So distance of B 2000 minus distance of A minus 27500, right? Distance of B minus distance of A. So 2000, and using property, what to write? We have to change this sign and opposite of this number. So plus 27500, and the final answer is 29500 meters. So net distance, vertical distance from point B to A or of point A and B is 29500 meters. Now point B is 29500. This distance is 29500 meters in upward direction. So B is 29500 meters above A and A is 29500 below B. It means difference between these 2 points A and B is 29500, right? Next, question number 8. Plato was born in 429 BC and died in 348 BC. How long did he live? So answer number 8. Birth year of Plato, year of birth or birth year of Plato, 429 BC or minus 429. Then year of death, death year or year of death is 348 BC. 348 BC or minus 348. Why minus 348? Because BC stands for before Christ. So before means negative. Now, how long did he live? Now for calculation of his age or his lifespan, what to do? Birth year minus 429 or 429 BC. Then this is his birth year. Then minus 348 or 348 BC, year of death. How long did he live? This is the lifespan of Plato. So for calculation of lifespan of Plato or age of Plato at this time, or simply to answer this question, how long did he live? What to do? So lifespan of Plato equals to this minus this, final minus initial, or year of death minus year of birth. Year of death minus year of birth. So what to write? Year of death minus 348 minus year of birth minus of 429, that is minus 348, and again we have to replace this negative sign. Using property, what to do? Replace that negative sign and write opposite of minus 429. So opposite of minus 429 is plus 429 or 4 to 9? So 4 to 9 and 348. 81. 81, yes. 81 years. So 81 years is the lifespan or Plato. And 81 years, how long did he live? For 81 years. This is my final answer. Another way how to calculate his age or his lifespan, simply 429 minus 348 will be the answer. Why? Because both numbers are negative, but ultimately we are looking for this length or this span. So writing in this format, or simply write 429 minus 348 will be your answer. 81 years. 81 years lifespan of Plato. Next question. Which of these sets are closed under subtraction, and explain. So first is integers. What is meaning of closed? Closed means if you do something, or if you subtract any number, any integer by second integer, then your answer will be integer only, right? So answer number 9. First is integers. So for integers are closed under subtraction. So for this, check what to do. Assume two integers. Say a is 2 and say b is 6. These are two integers, positive or negative. These are two integers. Now what to do? Perform subtraction. A minus b. I think this is not working properly. Yes, this is good. A minus b. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 is integer? Yes. 6 is also integer? Yes. And after subtraction, your answer minus 4 is also an integer, negative integer, but yes, minus 4 is also an integer. Or we can find b minus a. 6 minus 2 will be plus 4 or 4. 4 is also an integer. It means integers are closed. Integers are closed under subtraction. So yes, integers are closed under subtraction. Second, even integers. Okay, these two numbers are even. So 2 is also an even number and 6 is also an even number. So we can say that yes, even numbers, for even integers, answer will be an even number. So even integers are also closed under subtraction. Even integers are closed under subtraction. Okay, only for check. Let us assume some new values, some odd values. A is say 3 and say b is minus of 5, right? Again we have to check for integers. So a is 3, b is minus 5. A minus b will be 3 minus 5. Answer is 3 plus 5, 8. And b minus a. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Again, both plus 8 and minus 8. Both are integers. So we can conclude that integers are closed under subtraction. And second, even integers are also closed under subtraction. Then whole numbers. Assume some whole numbers for part C. Value of A is a whole number, say 3, and B is also a whole number, say 4. Now, after performing subtraction, let's check. A minus B, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and say B minus A, 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Now, A minus B is negative minus 1, and minus 1 is not a whole number. It means whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Sometimes it may closed, but is not valid for all cases. So we'll write whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Plus 1 is a whole number, but it is not possible to get positive numbers in each and every case. So no, not closed. Then part D, natural numbers. Again we have to assume some natural numbers. These are also natural numbers. Okay, assume some new numbers. A is say 6 and B is say 8, right? So A minus B, 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Again not a natural number. So whole numbers and natural numbers both are not closed. Not closed. Natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Last question number 10. Find the integral value of n for which the given sentence is true. First sentence, n minus 3 equals to minus 17 minus 2. So answer number 10, n minus 2, 3 equals to minus 17 minus 2. So this is the statement, n minus 3 equals to minus 17 minus 2. And we have to find integral value of n. Value of n which is an integer. So what to do? In the next step, n minus 3 equals to minus 17, and we have to replace this negative sign, so write plus, and opposite of 2 plus 2, so minus 17 plus 2 will be n minus 3 as it is, and this becomes minus 15, minus 17 plus 2, so minus 15. Now in the next step, change its place of minus 3. So minus 15, negative 3. After changing its side from left to right, comes plus 3. So minus 15 plus 3, minus 12. N is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 is the integral value or value of n. Next answer 10, part B. N plus minus 1 equals to minus 3 minus of minus 5. So in the next step, n plus minus 1, okay, plus minus 1 as it is, minus 3, and we have to replace this. So we'll write plus, and opposite of minus 5, plus 5, right? In the next step, again, plus n, and plus minus of 1, and minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 will be plus 2. And in the next step, n is plus 2, and after changing its place from left to right, is now plus 1, negative 1 becomes positive 1. So value of n is 3. N is equals to 3 or plus 3. Then part C, minus 6 minus minus 1. Answer 10, part C, minus 6 minus of minus 1 equals to 4 plus n. Again, minus 6 plus, replace it, and opposite of 1, minus 1. 4 plus n, then plus 1, minus 6 will be minus 5 equals to 4 plus n. And in the next step, minus 5 change its place, become negative equals to n, minus 5 minus 4. So minus 5 minus 4, add them and put a negative sign. So answer is minus 9. Minus 9. Value of n is minus 9. And last part D, minus 2 minus 1. Part D, minus 2 minus 1 and n minus 2 equals to n minus 2. So simply we have to cancel this, or after solving minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3 equals to n minus 2, and just change its place. minus 3, minus 2 is negative, so we'll change its place and sign. So the value of n is now, this is plus 2, so value of n is minus 1, n is minus 1. So these are all answers, plus 3 in this case, minus 9 and minus 1. Now I will request you to please solve all these problems in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, any problem in any of the question of this exercise or any question in integers, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.